Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 12 mathematics chapter number 4 determinants exercise 4.5 question 5 to 7. Okay, question number 5, find the inverse 2 minus 2 4 3. So for finding a inverse we have to find two things. Okay, first determinant of a and second adjoint of a. So first we have to find determinant of a. If determinant of a is non-zero, then inverse is exist, otherwise we cannot find inverse. Is it clear? So first of all we have to find determinant of a. So determinant of a equal to 3 2s are 6 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, so it gives 14, does not equal to 0. Therefore a inverse must exist. Next we have to find adjoint of a. Okay, so for finding adjoint of a, first we have to find out cofactors. Okay, so capital A11, capital A12, A21, A22. Okay, so capital A11 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. So we have to remove first row, first column, so it gives 3. So A11 gives 3. Now A12, for A12 we have to remove first row, second column, and we have to write minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 because I plus j, I is 1, j is 2. So minus 1 raised to 3 give minus 1 and 4. So 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Is it clear? Now A21. Okay, A21. So in A21 we have to remove second row, first column. So minus 1 raised to again I plus j. So 2 plus 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 gives minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 gives plus 2. Next A22. So we have to remove second row, second column. Okay, so minus 1 raised to I plus j means minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 means minus 1 raised to 4 gives 1 into 2. So it gives 2. Now we have to write adjoint of a equal to, we have to write transpose form. Okay, here A11, A12, A21, A22. Now we have to take transpose of given element. So we have to write capital A11 in column wise, capital A12, capital A21, capital A22. Now we have to put the value of cofactors. So 3, 2, minus 4, 2. It gives adjoint of A. Now we have to put the value of determinant of A and adjoint of A in A inverse. Okay, so 1 upon 14 because determinant of A is 14 into adjoint of A is 3, 2, minus 4, 2. Now we have to divide 14 or no need to division. Okay, both the answer is right. So our answer is 1 by 14, 3 to 4, minus 4, 2. Is it clear? Okay, next question number 6. Find the inverse. So same thing, we have to find out first determinant of A. Okay, so minus 1 2s are minus 2, minus minus plus 5 3s are 15. So 15 minus 2 13. Again this does not equals to 0. Therefore A inverse must exist. Next we have to find out adjoint of A. So before finding adjoint of A we have to find out cofactors of all elements. Okay, so first we have to find out cofactors of A11 is given by capital A11. A is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus j. I is 1, j is 1. So minus 1 raised to 2 gives plus 1. And we have to remove here first row, first column, so it gives 2. So answer is 2. Now we have to find A12, capital A12. So we have to remove first row, second column. So minus 1 raised to 3 gives minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 gives plus 3. Okay, next we have to find out capital A21. Okay, so we have to find capital A21. So we have to remove second row, first column. So minus 1 raised to 3. Okay, minus 1 raised to 3 into 5. So minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 5 gives minus 5. Is it clear? Next and last we have to find out capital A22. So we have to remove second row, second column. So minus 1 raised to 4 because I, the value of I and the value of j is 2. So 2 plus 2 4 and minus 1 raised to 4 gives 1. So 1 into minus 1 gives minus 1. Now lastly we have to put the value of determinant of A and adjoint of A in A inverse. Okay, so A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So see here 1 upon 13 because determinant of A is 13 into adjoint of A is 2 minus 5 3 minus 1. So it gives inverse of A. Next question number 7. Find the inverse of 1 2 3 0 2 4 0 0 5. Here given matrix is 3 by 3 form. So same thing we have to follow. First we have to find out determinant of A and then we have to find adjoint of A. Okay, so first we have to find out determinant of A. Okay, so determinant of A is equals to we have to solve by taking first column. Okay, because second and third entries are 0 0. So we can write 1 bracket 5 2s are 10 minus 0. So it gives 10 and does not equal to 0. Is it clear? Therefore A inverse must exist. Okay, now we have to find adjoint of A. So before finding adjoint of A we have to find out cofactors of all elements. Okay, so here we can write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Okay, so first of all we have to find out cofactor of A11. So it gives capital A11. Okay, so we have to find cofactor of A11 means we have to remove first row first column. Okay, so minus 1 raised to 2 because minus 1 raised to I plus j. So here the value of I and the value of j is 1. So minus 1 raised to 2 into 5 2s are 10. So gives 10. Next we have to find cofactor of A12. Okay, so A12 we have to remove first row second column. Okay, and minus 1 raised to 3 because the value of I is 1 and j is 2. So 2 plus 1 3 is minus 1 raised to 3 gives minus 1 and the value of this determinant is 0 5 are 0 minus 0 4 are 0. So again 0. So our answer is 0. Now we have to find A13. Okay, A13. So we have to remove first row third column. Okay, so minus 1 raised to 4 because the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 3. So minus 1 raised to 4 gives 1 and the value of determinant is 0 minus 0. So again 0. So the value of A13 will be 0. Now we have to find out A21. Okay, so for finding A21 we have to remove second row first column. So here minus 1 raised to 3 because the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So minus 1 raised to 3 gives minus 1 and the value of determinant is 5 2s are 10 minus 0. So 10. So answer is minus 1 into 10 gives minus 10. Is it clear? Next we have to find out capital A22. So we have to remove second row second column. So minus 1 raised to 4. So minus 1 raised to 4 gives plus 1 and the value of determinant is 5 1s are 5 minus 0. So 5. So answer is 5 1s are 5. Next and last we have to find out A23. Okay, for A23 we have to remove second row third column. So minus 1 raised to 5 because second row and third column. So 2 plus 3 5. So minus 1 raised to 5 will be minus 1 and the value of determinant is 0 minus 0. So 0. So answer is 0. Okay, next we have to find out A31. Okay, for finding A31 we have to remove third row and first column. Is it clear? First column. So minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 4 and 2 4s are 8 minus 6 gives 2. So 2 1s are 2. Is it clear? Because 3 plus 1 4 and minus 1 raised to 4 gives 1. Okay, so answer is A31 is 2. Next we have to find out A32. So we have to remove third row second column. So minus 1 raised to 5 gives minus 1 and the value of determinant is 4 1s are 4 minus 0 4. So answer is minus 1 into 4 gives minus 4. A33. Okay, next we have to find out A33. So we have to remove third row third column. Okay, third row, third column. So minus 1 raised to 6 gives 1, and the value of determinant is 2 ones are 2 minus 0, so 2. So 2 into 1 gives 2. Is it clear? Now we have to take a transpose of given entries. Okay, so we have to write adjoint of A is equals to capital A11 in column wise, A12, capital A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now we have to put the value of cofactors. So it gives 10, 0, 0, minus 10, 5, 0, 2 minus 4, 2. Now we have to put the value of determinant of A and adjoint of A. It gives inverse of given matrix. Okay, so we can write A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A gives 10. Already we have to find out in above. So we can write 1 upon 10. Adjoint of A is 10 minus 2, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. So it gives A inverse.